Welcome back. Now in this video we will create a text button right down in here, right on the right side. Okay, and it's going to be simply for the forget password screen. So we are about to create that text button, so let's go ahead and start working on that. So first what I'll do, I'll create some height between the password and the text button for forget screen that we are about to create. So this will be kind of height. Below this, right in here, you will have a size box, and we will simply give the height to 8 in here, comma, add the const modifier to that. Now right down in here we will say align widget and right at end, comma, take this down. Now we will give the alignment and we're gonna send that right towards the center right. As I told you already, the text button that we are about to create, it is gonna be right on the right side, center right, and we're gonna have a child. We will say text button. Right in the text button, it's gonna take the on press event. So for now we're gonna leave that empty, and later on we will create a forget screen and we're going to set the navigator right in this on press event then. So leave this empty for now. First you will complete the design for that text button. So below this in here we will say child, and then we will have a text widget, and right inside that let's have that text forget password, as I told you already, with a question mark like that, and in here comma. Now we will do some style for that. So as usual, text style, and first we will set the color for that. So we will go with the colors dot black 54, and also we will set the font size to 15, and we're gonna provide the font style. Also it is going to be italic, so font style dot italic. That's a little design that we just have for this text button that we are about to show in here. Now we will remove those yellow lines. So in order to remove that, as you guys know already, add the const modifier. There we go. So I have already auto-load the app. There is no need of doing it again, so I'll just simply press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice that text button for the forget password. There we go, forget password with a question mark. Okay, all of the design for the text button forget password has been completed, and you guys can see that. Now we are left with the on press event. First I'll go and create a forget screen password. So first right in here I'll just go toward the lib and create a new directory by the name of forget password. Right inside that directory let's create a dot file. It's going to be simply for the forget password. In that we will have a stateful widget, so write st, there we go, and provide the name for the forget password. All just good. Remove that from here, click in here, add the library material dot. From now on in here we will have a scaffold. For testing purposes we will just add the app bar. So app bar widget in here, then we will have a title in there. Let's have a text widget, and text widget we will say forget password screen, so that you guys know whenever the user will click right in here, it's going to be right on the forget password screen, so you guys will know that then. in here add the const modifier in order to remove the yellow line. That's fine. Now we are just done with the app bar for testing purposes. Now just close that. From here forget password dot, and we are left on the body dot, which is a login body. Okay, don't confuse in that, is that one. Now in here I'll just add the navigator. Now simply to navigate the user right toward the forget password screen. So what I'll say, navigator dot push tag contacts. Now we will provide the root, so the root is going to be material page root. In there we will provide the contacts. From here I'll just take this down so that you guys can see it easily. Now in there contacts, we are done with that, and let's send the user, navigate it to the forget password. Write at end semicolon and click in here, add the library. All is good, and you guys can see that. Now simply in here just auto load the app, and we will check that if it's work or not. Go toward the login screen, and in here as you guys can see that forget password text button, click on that. It will simply navigate you right toward the forget password screen. Boom, there we go. As you guys can see the app bar forget password screen. So it's working totally fine, and you guys can see that right in the future we will create a beautiful UI design for the forget password screen. For now on you will go back and complete the login screen. Okay, in here I'll just simply change this to 3, and that is more fine. All is good. This video is getting a little lengthy, so we will end this video right in here, and we will start working right on the login right in the next video. So see ya.